Welcome to Dr. Rao's lecture series. Topic of this video, subject theory of machines, dynamics, natural frequency of spring mass system considering mass of the spring. When mass of the spring is considered in the evaluation of the natural frequency of a spring mass system, show that 1/3 of the mass of the spring will be added to the vibrating mass. Consider a spring mass system as shown in the figure. Let m be the mass of the vibrating system. K is stiffness of the spring. L is length of the spring under equilibrium condition. Let rho be the mass per unit length of the spring in equilibrium condition. Mass of the spring ms equal to rho into L. Consider an element length of the spring dy at a distance of y from the support. Mass of the element length dy is rho into dy. Let the mass be given a displacement of x from the equilibrium position. The energies of the system are potential energy stored in the spring, kinetic energy of the mass m due to displacement x, kinetic energy of the spring due to displacement x, potential energy of the system equal to 1 by k x square, kinetic energy of the mass m equal to 1 by 2 m x dot square. Displacement of the spring up to the considered length y from the support will be proportional to the displacement of total spring. If L length of the spring is having displacement of x, then y length of the spring will have displacement of y by L into x. It implies velocity of y length of the spring equal to y by L x dot. Kinetic energy of the element dy of the spring equal to 1 by 2 rho dy into y by L x dot square. Kinetic energy of the spring can be obtained by integrating the above equation with respect to dy. Kinetic energy of the spring equal to integral 0 to L 1 by 2 rho dy into y by L x dot square. By bringing constant terms outside, kinetic energy of the spring equal to rho x dot square by 2L square integral 0 to L y square dy. By integrating and applying limits, kinetic energy of the spring equal to rho x dot square by 2L square L cube by 3. By simplifying, kinetic energy of the spring equal to 1 by 2 rho L by 3 x dot square. As rho L is mass of the spring, kinetic energy of spring equal to 1 by 2 ms by 3 x dot square. Total kinetic energy of the vibrating system equal to 1 by 2 mx dot square plus 1 by 2 ms by 3 x dot square. By taking x dot square as common, kinetic energy equal to 1 by 2 into m plus ms by 3 into x dot square. As per energy method, total energy of a vibrating system is constant. It implies 1 by 2 kx square plus 1 by 2 into m plus ms by 3 x dot square equal to constant. By differentiating the above equation with respect to time, d by dt of 1 by 2 kx square plus 1 by 2 m plus ms by 3 x dot square equal to 0. It implies 1 by 2 k into 2x x dot plus 1 by 2 m plus ms by 3 into 2 into x dot x double dot equal to 0. By simplifying and cancelling x dot, the above equation results into m plus ms by 3 x double dot plus kx equal to 0. It implies x double dot plus k by m plus ms by 3 x equal to 0. This is the governing equation of the given vibrating system, which is representing simple harmonic motion. The coefficient of x gives square of natural frequency in radians per second. It implies omega n equal to root over k by m plus ms by 3. This shows that when the mass of the spring is considered while evaluating natural frequency of the system, 1/3 of the mass of the spring is added to the vibrating mass.